We're gonna remove this rear bumper cover. We're getting a lot of people asking us about, hey, how do you guys remove the rear bumper cover off these Outbacks? This is gonna apply for all the 08, 05, 06, 07, 08, 09 Outback Legacies. And the best part is we've already taken the taillights out. If you're just searching the video just as how to remove the rear bumper cover, look through our channel of how to remove the taillights first. And then we have to remove those first. After you've watched those videos and remove the taillights, you'll see there's these two clips right here on both sides. Go ahead and remove these clips. You know, they come up pretty easy. You got a clip remover, stick them in here and a little bit up like this, stick it underneath here, they pop out. Here's the end right here. Boom, boom. Very simple. Everybody wonders what's attached here. Come in here a little bit. I'll show you what's very interesting is some of you guys may have one of these speaker covers holding this, depending on which model you have. Some with LL beam, some with speaker or not. We do have the speaker. There's a little. If you don't have the speaker, you do have the speaker. There's a 10mm screw in there, in here. It's a 10. It's a 10 nut bolt, and grabbing number 10, you can't miss it. Get in here and, well, it's in here. You can get a magnet, pull it out so it doesn't fall like I just dropped it, because I really don't care with taking the car off. But you might want it when you put the new bumper back on. It basically looks like one of these guys, just the number 10. Same thing on this side. Come around this way, I want to show you something over here. It's got this plug right here. If you move this plug out of the way, there's another 10 in there. If you get a magnet after you've taken it out, or put a piece of gum on this thing and stick it in there and pull it out, it won't drop the 10 like I dropped it. Because in this process we're removing the bumper, installing the bumper, you're going to need those 10s. But those two 10s on both sides hold the bumper cover. So after we've gotten these clips out, these two 10s out, some of you guys might have this mudguard option. Some of you guys might not. This car has it. So we got one right here, a little clip. Problem is these guys there's these plastic clips back here. Dirt gets in them and they don't want to come out. And here's the problem we have now is these don't want to come out. So you kind of have to force these guys out. Give it some pressure and just gun it. It's going to melt it. I don't know. After you guys pull these screws out, see, these are just rusted to hell. The only way now to get them out is to force them out. You could sit there and play with it. These guys hold the number 8s inside of them, and it's just it's a mess. These are screwed, they're gone. You can get them from the dealer, or if you're close by, we're located in Sacramento, California, Rancho Cordova. Stop by and I'll give you some. You can replace them. But as you can see, we have to force them out of here. There's one more clip underneath here. Up here. Voila! I was able to push the top of that from up here, and the clip popped out. Here's a mudguard. While we're down here, so we release that bumper from there. There's 1, 2, 3, and 4 clips here. Go ahead and remove these while you're down here. There you go. Here's 1. There you go. That's 2. There you go. There's a number 10 bolt in here. Push this out of the way. There's a 10 right here. Here it is. Pull this off. Look at this. Remember this 10, the same similar type of 10 like this goes right here we took off earlier. So this rear bumper now is completely loose. Let's go around the other side. Kind of have to do the same thing with this mud flap and all the 8s on the other side. Look at that. This one came out perfect. Oh yeah, I'm loving it. And there's that one screw down here. But while I'm up here, we're going to move this guy out of the way. Whew. And that 10 bolt that sits right here. Same 10 bolt that goes right here. We took off from the inside. So this one's not liking me because it's been damaged here, but it'll come out. Let's get the stuff underneath off real quick. There's that one clip right here. I'm pushed down on the clip. That clip right there. Pushing down here. From in here, pop right off. If you guys need these, we do sell them. The dealership doesn't sell them by ones. And then there's one more clip we left back here. Just debris and dirt gets in this little valleys in here and causes not to want to come out. But looks like the bottom is completely loose, and the bumper at this point should just slide off. We'll start from this side because this side is loose. You just pull it. If you look right here, let me remove this, give you guys an idea. These guys right here, the bumper has these little spots, and these spots clip and hold on to this. So might have to, give it a little bit of a budge for it to pop out, but it will come out. After you've pulled this side out, go pull the other side out. This car is a little damaged, so this guy doesn't want to be nice. So I'm gonna have to yank on it. And go ahead and you can just pull this bumper off. It's that little hole we were taking the bolt out. That bolt's right here. And then there's this bolt right here that we got underneath here, underneath the liner, and got this bolt out. These two bolts are number 10s. They slide on the body here if you look at it. Right here and right here. So when you put the bumper back on, these are the guides which will guide it in. If you guys need these brackets, they're riveted on. Sometimes we'll get a bumper in that's smashed from one side and the other side's good. If you need one bracket, call us. More likely we might have it. If you guys need to buy the bumper, just give us a call. It's available. We've got a bunch more.